Hello everyone, this is Hamid.
And hello everyone, this is Zahra.
And today we're going just to practice another amazing, beautiful conversation.
What's the conversation about?
So this conversation is about two friends. One of them has a new baby and the other says congratulations on her new baby. Now we're going just to read the conversation to understand the conversation better. Right now, if you're ready, we can start.
Let's go.
Let's begin. Two office workers began talking. Hey Vic, I heard your wife had a baby the other day.
That's right, a little girl.
Well, let me say congratulations. What's her name?
We named her Hester, after my mother.
So right now, if you're ready, we can just read the conversation one more time. Let's go. Hey Vic, I heard your wife had a baby the other day.
That's right, a little girl.
Well, let me say congratulations. What's her name?
We named her Hester, after my mother.
So right now, we're going just to answer Zahra's question about this conversation. Let's go. Zahra, do you have any questions about this conversation? Go on, please.
Yes, what's the meaning of the other day?
So the other day means some days ago.
And what about congratulations?
So congratulations is a kind of way to express your happiness or praise. So also don't forget, after congratulations, you're going just to use the preposition on. So for example, congratulations on your car or congratulations on your new baby. Imagine right now Zahra has got a new car. So we're going just to say congratulations on your new car. Also Zahra could get her fund scholarship some days ago. So in this case, I can say congratulations on your new success.
And would you please tell me about the meaning of after my mother?
So after my mother, over here we can understand that the mother's name was Hester. And right now we can see that the baby's name is Hester. So they have chosen this name, Hester, after the mother's name. The mother's name was Hester, and right now the baby's name is Hester too.
Thank you.
Thanks to you. Thanks for watching our video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. We're going just to have more amazing, beautiful conversations for you. I wish you luck. See you next time.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.